Welcome to Thailand. We are thrilled to bring you products that bring sparks to everyday life.
Watch GT Runner 2 Racing Legend Edition. Spark your ultra performance. The all-new single running ability index. Huawei's very first training camp dashboard. Co-created with DSM for Minute running team. Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. With its stunning style and next-level sports performance, it will truly spark your vibe. The largest display on Fit Watch, screen-to-body ratio of 83%. 2.5D sapphire glass, scratch-resistant, mini workout mode. Reclaim your energy anytime, anywhere.
A watch like Fit Series. Its lightweight, fitness-focused wearable became a natural part of my daily life.
Huawei Watch Kids X1 series, built to spark kids' wonder, but also give parents peace of mind. Huawei Watch Ultimate Design Spring Edition, inspired by a Fibonacci sequence. There are 99 natural diamonds, catching the light with every graceful turn of your wrist. Huawei Free Clip 2, berry purple. Barely there, perfectly clear. Perfect way to spark your style this summer.
Spark inspiration with the Huawei MatePad Pro Max, our most advanced tablet ever. At just 4.7 millimeters, Huawei's thinnest tablet ever. And at 499 grams for the standard version, the lightest tablet over 13 inches in the entire industry. Ultra thin without compromise. 13.2-inch flexible OLED screen rendering perfect black and super vivid colors. The new Huawei Glide keyboard creates a truly PC-like experience.
In my day-to-day content creation, Huawei MatePad Pro Max has been the second brain.
This is the all-new Huawei Nova 15 Max. Max your fun! A 50-megapixel RYYB camera experience that captures sharp, accurate, and detailed images. Huge 8,500 milliamp, free from battery anxiety. A durable body bringing you all-round peace of mind.
The world isn't moved only by grand narratives. It's changed by every individual who chooses to shine. The moment you embrace life, the spark appears. Now is your spark. Thank you.